Today we're going to walk through setting up a Samsung copier on Windows 8. So the first thing we need to do is go get our drivers. We're going to go to samsung.com. Now once you're here, you're going to go to Owners and Support, then Manuals and Downloads. Next page will be your search. So here we're going to type in the model number of your copier. I'm currently using a 9301. In the drop-down, click on your copier. And this will bring us to the page for your copier. Here we're going to go to Manuals and Downloads again. And down here is where we'll go. We're going to select See More. And then we want to scroll through the list. We're looking for the Print Driver Add Printer. So we're going to click Download Zip, then Continue. We're going to save it somewhere where we can remember. Typically, I just use the desktop. And then we wait for it to download. Once your download's complete, your file should be here. Next, we're going to right-click on that and extract all. And this should default back to your desktop again, so it'll create a new folder with the extracted files. And here we have our extracted folder. We're going to save that for later. Next, we're going to open up our printers window. On Windows 8, all you have to do is hold down your Windows key on your keyboard and the letter R. That brings up your Run command. Type in the word Control Printers. Click OK. This will bring up our printers window. I've already installed this copier previously. We'll go ahead and remove that. And from here, we're going to click Add a Printer. Now, Windows 8 automatically searches the network for all connected copiers printers. We're going to skip that. Click the printer I want isn't listed. Make sure Add a Printer using TCP/IP address or host name is selected. Click Next. In the device type, we're going to go to TCP/IP device. And here, you're going to type the IP address of your copier. Make sure you don't type in what I put here. This is for my network. And then we're going to click Next. Next screen, Have Disk. And then we're going to browse back to this folder location. So in your drop-down, just select your desktop. And here's the folder we extracted earlier. Double-click through until you find this file under the PCL folder. Click Open and OK. And you should see your model number listed here. Click Next. You shouldn't get this screen. This is just because mine was previously installed. Go ahead and click Next. Here you can name your printer whatever you want. Typically I leave it as is, but if you have several different copiers on your network, same models, you may want to name them different things. Click Next, and Windows will install the printer. Once the printer is done being installed, you'll see this screen. We want to select Do Not Share this printer unless we're putting it on a server and sharing it out across the network. Click Next. And you can set this as your default if you choose to. We're going to skip printing a test page for just a moment. Go ahead and click Finish. And here's your installed copier. Now from here, we want to right-click and go to Printer Properties. And this will bring up our Properties window. From here, we want to go into Preferences. And this gives you all your options for your copier. Let's go to the Basic tab. And here we want to turn double-sided printing to none. And then under Graphics, we want to change color mode to grayscale. You'll still be able to print in color, you'll just have to select it when you're printing your documents. Click OK, and then go ahead and print a test page. Once your test page prints, everything should be set up correctly, and you're good to go.